Alright guys, I am about to end my live streaming. Thank you so much to those who stay, who like, who nagtambay, nagtusok, nagstay. Maraming salamat po at all efforts are greatly appreciated. Maraming salamat po. Nag-i-improve na ang boses ko. Malapit na siyang bumalik. So, ako'y nagpapasalamat po. Maraming salamat po sa... Magro-roll call ba ako? Wala na tayong raffle, ba't ang magro-roll call? Pero, rest assured, nakita ko yung mga nandito. Yung mga... nakita ko si Tessia, si Sheina, si Joy Javier, si Dan May, si Your Honor Jinsky, si Chona, si Abby at ang kanyang mga alagad, Abby Gala, Abby Pakpak, hindi ko nakita si Guapa. Si Love Me Like You Do pala siya. Love Me Like You Do. Si Ashan, Chona sa friend. Chona, my friend, thank you. Go back to sleep. By the time you wake up, Marian will be on his way home. Yes, I think so. Anyway, thank you so much, Marian, for dropping by. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the support. Thank you, Miss Lynn Kids Cooking, for dropping by. Maraming salamat sa pagtusok. I greatly appreciate that. At kanina, sorry, hindi ako talaga nakatabay kasi nga ako paalis ako nun eh. Paalis ako nun, may pinikap ako sa labas. Pagbukas ko ng YouTube ko, sabi ko, ngayon ko lang nakita to. So pumasok ako and I just want to greet you a Merry Christmas. Have a great and joyful Christmas and New Year, and may you have a better 2025. Kasi ilang weeks na lang 2025 na. So yeah, thank you so much. And so yun na lang po. After this, magla-live na si Sis Tita. So, lilipat na po ako doon. So, guys, as I always says, you guys take care. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Ingat tayo dyan. Huwag natin kalimutan na lagi magpasalamat sa mga opportunities na binibigay sa atin. Let's all be thankful to the most powerful, Lord, up high there. Every day, binibigyan tayo ng, we're always given opportunities to do better than what we did yesterday, to be a better person as we were yesterday, to correct what we have done wrong before. That's why I'm always saying the first blessing that God has given to us is that He wake up us, ginising niya tayo kaninang umaga. He woke us up. He wake us up every day in the morning. That's the first blessing that we should be thankful for. Alright? So guys, take care.